you about the water cycle. You know, water cycle is a very common topic for grade 1 as well as grade 2. So today I will show you by drawing, and next time I will show you with the 3D model. So let's get started. You know, first, what is the who is the main character playing in the water cycle? Who? Our sun. Sun is the main important in our water cycle. Without sun, water cycle is not going to be happened. You know, in daytime, what happened in the daytime? This is the water, right? In the presence of sunlight, the water is becoming hot. After hot, if we are making tea, after some time when the water is boiled, after boiling, what will be happen? We can see the vapor is coming out from the pan, and after that is making the water is boiled, and then we will put tea for making tea. So in our world, in our nature also, same things is happening. Means in the presence of sunlight, the water is hot. After that, it is evaporate. Evaporate means the steam is coming from the hot air. After that, it will the light, so it is going upside, and the cool air is heavy, so it is coming down. Now in the case of tree, you know that in the tree, our tree also is a tree in the leaves. Leaves is the main reason to make the photosynthesis for the trees. Photosynthesis what? Photosynthesis is a process the trees are making food for themselves. So in that case, there are so many stomatas are present in the leaves. So in the presence of sunlight also, trees, the air is coming from the stomata of the leaves. This is called evaporation. No, this is called transpiration. This is called transpiration. Now this is called evaporation. Now when the hot air is going outside the temperature is cold. After it's getting the cold temperature, then it is condensed, and condensed means it is forming the clouds. Now when the two or more than clouds condensed together, then it is very heavy. And in the cloud, what are present there? The water particles are present in the clouds. You know, when your mom is making food in the kitchen, if kitchen window is closed, and if we making something in the gas, then the after hot the air is coming, and if there is no place to come out the steam is going towards our window. After that, when you go inside the kitchen, you can see the water particles is attached with the window glass. So that means in the air, water particles is present there. So in the case of cloud also, water particles are present there. When when the clouds are become very heavy, then it is becoming rain. Rain means precipitation. Precipitation. And you know, after precipitation, the water is coming down. Where? In the sea. So sea or water body is the storage of water, means accumulation. This is called accumulation. So this is a process. First evaporation, transpiration.
This is the project
condensation,
of watercycle
then
3D
again
model. Here
precipitation,
I made
then
a
after that
mountain,
it is
water body,
accumulated
trees,
in the
and
sea
with
or
the
water.
use
This
of
is called
arrow I
accumulation.
showed
So
transpiration,
this process
evaporation,
is going to be
participation,
happen
condensation,
in
and
every cases.
some of the
This is
animals
the
I
way
put
how
just
water cycle
it
happens.
will
Thank you very much
look
for
very
watching my
good.
channel.
So that's
Thank
why
you.
we use some of the plastic animals to make a real project of the water cycle. So this is the one, and this is the second one. Some are just the same process, and from the um, water cloud, for this cloud I may use the cotton, and though the precipitation is occurring from the cloud, so particular that cloud I made the black color, so that you can easily understand. And you can see that water is coming from the mountain, and it is